There's a car over there stuck on the side of the road. Looks like they just abandoned it. Said screw it. Everybody's stuck over there in that parking lot. There's a whole crew up here. Through this. Blizzard 2011. Everybody here is stuck. Let's see if this car up here. Nope, they're stuck too. Uh-oh. Stuck. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, there's a truck. He got through. 5, 6 cars stuck on my road. Oh, what's that? That's an ambulance or something. I can't tell. Or plow truck? I don't know. But everybody, this is hilarious. It's freaking freezing out here.
The one right by the lights.
Uh-oh.
Okay.
Another suck. Shouldn't have stopped.
I wasn't kidding you, Jenny. It's bad.
Yeah, it is. I think these guys in the blue car were the ones that were stuck here in the...
Let's go help, man.
You're standing there thinking, should you or shouldn't you help? I mean, they're just...
You missed it. You missed it. They were shoving that car down the road like the guy was running behind it.
Go help them, guys.
Alright, alright.
There's an SUV up there that's stuck that they just gave up on too. Come on, Jayla.
I'm slipping.
I should get in my blazer and just zip right past him laughing.
Look at this little car, we're gonna have to push him out.
Oh, van's stuck. Yep, they're stuck, aren't they? Stuck right next to that SUV. Why are people even trying it?
Please move.
Yeah, they're blanking bad. My face!
This ain't their first rodeo. They've been through that shit before. They must live in Montana before this.